So guys, welcome back to the channel, touching down from Chiang Mai city in northern Thailand. So today's a bit of a spontaneous one. I've not been looking for a new place to live until the last few weeks, so I moved out of my original place about a year ago, and I've been happy living outside of the city a bit. But just in the last few weeks, when I've got back from my trip as well, I thought about, do I feel like moving again somewhere a little bit newer, because my place that I'm living now is a little bit old, and I come across this place the last couple of days online, and it just seems an amazing deal. And the lady said I can go and have a look today and just have a look around. So I thought, why the hell not? It looks a great deal. The area I'm not so sure about, and we're gonna have a little look around because it's near the Ping River as well. She has told me a bit about that, but I'm going to tell you more about that when we get down there. So it's in the Saraphi area, so one of my favourite areas of Chiang Mai. It's a flood area, like I said, but we're going to go down and take a look. Yes, a lovely day in Chiang Mai. Winter is here now. I'm going to stop rabbiting. We're going to look at a house, a brand new house. So I will see you in the Saraphi area in a jiffy. Right, so we're nearly there. It's in a little area we've done a vlog before, and it's a nice little area. We're sort of in between Saraphi and Hang Dong. Right, so yeah, we are here, and for a minute I didn't think I could go in. I was a little bit angry, but the lady said there is one with a key in the door we can go in. So these are the small bungalow houses. Yeah, they don't look as good as they do on the pictures, but you are in a quiet area of Saraphi. Got another place over there, look, small rooms. But yeah, after I'm gonna have to see what food's around here, where the nearest shop is and everything. What are we? 10 minutes, 15 minutes from the city. And yeah, I think this is like a separate school. You got a temple and a cemetery right next door, which isn't a problem. But hey, let's go and have a look, man. I don't know if I like them, actually. They're a little bit close together as well. So the one that's available, if I want it, is this one. In a few weeks time, this one right on the end here. I'm not sure what lizard, look, lizard. Yeah, this one here is the one. This guy's moving out 2310, and yeah, hello, 23. There's Lucille, look, in the driveway. So the one we can look at is 12308. So you get your driveway, look, place where you can put the bike out of the rain. I don't like how close all this is to you. Should have a back thing on the back, right? Nah, it's all too close, isn't it? It's all too close, man. There's your kitchen out the back, and there's matey's window looking out, and when he's cooking his dinner. I don't know, man. But we'll have a look. Got Lucille parked up. They're weird little things, aren't they? I've never seen ones like this before. I quite like how you get your own parking area and stuff out of the rain. It's the price. That's I'll tell you that in a minute. Right, here we go. Could this be my new pad? There you go. Basic small, what would you call it? Not even an apartment, just a small condo, separate room. Look, got your small window. Don't let in a hell of a lot of light, does it? I suppose you could have your door open and a mosquito net, but yeah, this is where you would have your chair Your desk and everything. See, this is all I would need. It's all I have now. It's like all I have now with this sort of size. I don't want too big. I hate too big. I want a nice compact size. And then you come in here and you've got your bedroom, look. Got the bed in the wardrobe, which is nice as well. Mattress. You haven't got to buy nothing. Yeah, it's worth coming to have a look. And then in here you've got your aircon and everything, see? Brand new aircon. I'd say somebody has been in here before. Yeah, and there's your bathroom, not bad. Yeah, not bad, is it? Yes, I'd say it's nearly, it's quite new here, but it has been lived in for sure. Yeah, it's not too bad, is it? Basically, all your living space is there and your kitchen's out the back. I don't like that though. I don't know if I like the kitchen out the back because you can't get to it. You have to go around the outside. Yeah, you have to go around the back. Basic, guys. So do you know how much this room is? This room here is 4,000 baht a month. So what we talking? Under £100, around £100, $130 a month. The electricity is 6 baht a unit, and the deposit is 8,000, so 2 months rent. I didn't see no contract on it, so I'm gonna have to ask her about that. I don't see no contract on the post, but I don't think I like it. It's a little bit too close to everybody. But we're gonna have a little look around out here in a minute. So it's just open there. She sent me a picture of the key in the door, and she said this one's just, people will be coming all day long to have a look. But for the price, you know, for the price, you're out of the city, see? You're down in Saraphi. It's cheap, you could sort it out. Let's have a little look outside again, shall we? Hey, could I live here? I don't think so. It's a little bit on top of people. God, it's bright today now. Let's just have a little walk down here a minute. Down this end would be a little bit better maybe. What have we got down here then? Water tower. Another way out. Oh, let's not get run over here. Got a field here. We'll have a little look out and about in a minute. I think it's a little bit on top. People are going to be out in the evenings cooking. See, yeah, these guys would be right here, look, cooking every night. There's my kitchen. And your window would be here, look, with your aircon. It's sort of budget living. 4,000 baht a month though. You can't grumble for somewhere cheap to live, I suppose, right? But it seems quiet, but you never know till the evenings in Thailand, mate. When they come home from work, in the weekends, in the holidays. This is the one on the end that's available. This one here. Oh, right next door to them. No, nah, not for me, buddy. See, one here, this might be better. Here, down here, look. Now, like you're talking. See, one down here might be better. Bit more quieter out the way. Hey, she's got some cactus for sale. I need to get a new one, so I killed me other one, didn't I? Salmon Pry Thai massage school. Yeah, she got school down here, look, training school. That could get quite busy as well, right? That one there. No, thank you. 4,000 baht. Probably prefer one of the ones out on the front here as well. Real budget little places. Right, so we're down in Saraphi, baby. We're just gonna have a look up this way. I don't know, man. It's a beautiful area. But you need a few shops and restaurants around. Right, so what we've done now, just to finish off the vlog, is we've come down to the brand new 89 Plaza again. Not been down here for a while again, and they just keep updating this place all the time. Can we walk through there? No. Ah, they're building here. So remember, this was just like an empty chill station. It had a couple of places to sit in there. Now they're doing it all up. Look, putting some new shops in there. And yeah, my pork place is over there, so we might go there and eat. This is one of the places that has changed the most since I've been in Chiang Mai, I think, down this area. It's just a different place altogether now, man. It's loads different. All this got changed. It was nothing before. Remember, I came down here, used to sit here on the bench, and there was just nothing here, man. This tops was all new as well. I've showed this before, but it just gets updated all the time, man. It looks really nice now, right? I don't think I've seen this ice cream shop down on the end here, so we're gonna have a look here as well. Nah, didn't see this last time. This has got finished since I was here. Yeah, didn't see this. What's it called again? Sweet Swensens. I never know how to say it. I'm not sure if we have that in England. You see it everywhere, don't you? I think we have. These are everywhere, right? It's a new place now. They have revamped it big time, mate. So they have the market down here as well on the Wednesday nights. So yeah, that place definitely not for me, mate. But it was good to show it, right? Maybe somebody's interested in it. 4,000 baht. Famous Malay noodle. It's not called Malay noodle no more. I think they changed the name. But it's still the same shop. Still the same. Very popular, man. I don't know whether to go in there or not. Shall we eat in here today? Yeah, come on. Let's eat in here. That's my table, man. That was always my table. We'll sit out the back so we don't have to annoy people. Where should we sit? Sit out the way over here. Yeah, we're just finishing the vlog, guys. Probably going to go into the city after, because you know, don't go in there so much nowadays. Once a week. Yeah, I wasn't planning on this vlog today. I just seen the room on Facebook. The lady said we can go and have a look, and I thought, yeah, we'll do a vlog. It's a winner either way. If I like it, I take it. If I don't, we get a vlog out of it, and maybe somebody will see it for the lady as well. So I normally get the pad thai here, but I might get something else this time. What am I gonna go for today, eh? Do you feel like a pad thai again? It's a good restaurant. I used to come here all the time, but never come down here now. But yeah, there's so many good restaurants now in 89 Plaza. And where we just went to, guys, that room, it's only 10 minutes from here, 5 minutes. So It's so close to Nong Hoi. This is basically Nong Hoi. Saraphi is like the next town down, so yeah, real close to each other. Here you go, look, pad thai in the Malay noodles. I think it's just called noodles now, but I still call it Malay noodles. I never really get the actual noodles here. I have one time. I always get a pad thai here. It's not the biggest portion in the world, but 60 baht, happy days. It's good food here normally, so I'm gonna tuck into this one. Ah, that's better, man. So as pad thais go, that is a pretty good one in Malay noodles. I'm still gonna call it Malay noodles in 89 Plaza. Come and check it out. So what we're gonna do now, gonna give you a quick tour here, man. Let's just see if there's anything new here for me as well. I've not seen everything they've done lately, so I still want to check this place out, the Vietnam place, one day. This is one place I still want to come, and we'll do this one. We will do this one at some point. I think you can go upstairs as well. 10 till 9, looks nice, doesn't it? My Vietnam, you see them everywhere as well. See, I normally go in this one. This one's a good one as well, where you get your cow moo, just your basic pork. I think you can get rice and you can get the noodles as well. It's a nice one, good prices as well, look. 50, 60 bahts, so yeah, it's all good. What's this one? Have I seen this one before? I don't think I have seen that one before. Like a cafe. That was getting built the last time I was here, I think. Sang San Coffee. So you got your coffee shop there as well, look. You can do your washing. I don't know why you would come. I suppose there's lots of people that live around here, so you would come here and do your washing. 10 kilo, 40 baht, C-sip, cold water, hot water, 60 baht. God, what I would do for a hot water clothes wash, get all the stains out. Yeah, I haven't seen none of this, see? Oh, this is new, man. I think I'll tell you what else we will do. We will come down here again one night, 'cause we've been down here and done the night market a year ago, 2 years ago, but it's totally different now. So we will come down and do another vlog here. Another restaurant. So it goes all the way around it, and I'm not going to walk all the way around. We're going to go back to Lucille now. But it has changed so much. And they've added all this, look, all this is getting added. Undercover here. They're nice, isn't it? It's a nice place now, mate. And yeah, I'm going to leave that one here, guys, because it only was meant to be about that room. Sweet buns. Sip. You can choose which one you want. I don't think I'm going to get one today. We're going to leave it for this one, guys. It was only meant to be about the room that I was going to see. I didn't like it. It's not for me. But one of you guys might like it. It's cheap, man. 4,000 baht in Saraphi, not too far from the city. Bit of a bargain, really. But was it? I don't know. When you put in the factors of how close you are to everybody, but it wasn't the worst place I'd ever seen in the world. Anyway, I'm not going to leave it down in the description. If anybody wants to know about the place, just let me know, then I'll put it in the comments if you want to know. So somebody might be interested. I'm going to stop waffling. I'm getting back into the city. I might do another vlog back in the city, I don't know. But hope you're all safe and sound as always, guys. Checking out from 89 Plaza in Chiang Mai. Take it easy, man. Take it easy.